Good evening, everybody, from beautiful Athens, Georgia. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. I don't think I'll ever run out of plants to show you. There's so many fabulous things that we can put on our palette. Here's one for you that many of you may know. This is the pineapple lily, called the pineapple lily because of those tufts of leaves at the very top. But the flowers themselves, individually, are just spectacular. And they do take up this whole spike here, don't they? The foliage is big and bold and bodacious, sometimes too big, sometimes too bold. Can get pretty big actually, but I really love this plant. And there are a whole bunch of different cultivars with bronze leaves and all sorts of cool things going on. But hey, this is my garden and I'm loving it. Anyway, the pineapple lily. Enjoy. Let's get gardening. Come see me.